at the speed of light, dramatically changing how we all access, share and manage information. To be employed in the industry that creates these worldwide systems is to work at the heart of a global technology which is now revolutionizing how we all live, work, learn and play. Northern Telecom is one of the key companies now operating at the forefront of these exciting and transforming technological developments. In the world of networks, our company has become a leading global resource. Focusing on Nortel's Centre of Excellence for the supply of optoelectronics components, this short programme will show just what it is the company makes, as well as how the collective work and expertise of our employees are taking the company to an even more successful future, now and into the next century. So what is at the heart of Nortel's operation? Well, basically we're involved in creating systems that move information, simply by converting digital pulses into light and then transmitting these pulses as fast as light itself. This is the technology required by today's consumers. From data processing to desktop publishing, directory assistance to electronic funds transfer, whatever is needed in our information-based society. It's this demand which drives Nortel, and being able to respond effectively and innovatively to these rapidly changing technological requirements has made the company a leader in its field. The current explosion in demand means moving ever larger amounts of information. And as fast as one capability is achieved, the customer wants more. Whilst today it's possible to transmit the equivalent of the Encyclopedia Britannica around the world in 2 seconds, it'll not be long before this maximum will be tomorrow's minimum. We at Nortel intend to be at the forefront of this provision. Here in Paignton we have the manufacturing base for Nortel's fibre optic oriented products, along with a growing radio infrastructure unit. Fibre optic communication systems are increasingly being used in access and distribution networks to the office, factory and home, carrying telephone signals, video and computer data traffic. Since 1974, Nortel has established an unsurpassed capability in the manufacture of reliable, high-quality and affordable optoelectronic components and modules. This product range includes transmission devices for moving information within the telecommunication networks, amplifiers, which operate as a fundamental part of a fibre optic network to provide video and data services to homes and offices around the world. Nortel Optoelectronics supplies components and modules to both internal and external customers. These external customers include Siemens, Alcatel, Ericsson, Nokia and GPT. The manufacture of these products is obviously a complex and detailed process, a sophisticated technical operation requiring a highly skilled and capable workforce. Here at Paignton, over 1,200 employees are involved in development, production and distribution. Yet this is only a part of the optoelectronics operation. Alongside this production base, there are research and development facilities at Ottawa and Harlow. The optoelectronics device and component groups are also located in Ottawa. All working together under the Nortel umbrella, they form a considerable partnership. It's this teamwork which is at the heart of our philosophy. Whatever the department, everybody has an equally important role to play. Much of the work here requires precise and complex handling. For instance, here in die placement, where the ELED or laser chips are soldered onto the diamond blocks and the photodiodes onto ceramic blocks. Or here, where laser welding is used to align a fibre optic cable to the laser chip. At every stage of manufacture, each employee is responsible for the quality of their work. In fact, all quality checks are done by operators themselves. Nortel is committed to team working, operating a self-directed work team ethic, seeing this as the way forward, enabling the business to grow profitably, improving job security for everyone. Employees are encouraged to become more involved in decision-making, taking ownership of the process and creating a greater pride in their work.
Make sure we've always got the latest issue if there are any changes, and also that it ties in, of course, with the corporate standard.
We will actually be applying the mill standard.
This empowering process is a challenge for both the individual and the teams, demanding independent and effective communications within Optoelectronics. If problems do occur, everyone is in a position to find a solution, whether through immediate help and support from other colleagues in the team, perhaps at the workstations, or at team meetings like this, where all sorts of issues can be ironed out. If, for instance, there's a specific need for advice on quality, then a quality engineer is available immediately to assist and advise. Maybe there's a need for information on health and safety, scheduling or training. Whatever the need, a team prime will be able to find the relevant information. Rather than hoping problems will just sort themselves out, employees are encouraged to take an active role in solving them individually, increasing job satisfaction and providing a more enjoyable working environment for everyone. This practice occurs not only in manufacture, but in every other area of Nortel. There are, of course, a whole range of departments which support the production process. Areas such as finance, site services and product testing, where every device is screened for performance under extreme environmental conditions and assessed by computer to individual customer requirements. Purchasing, too, is a vital area of work, where quality and security of supply are paramount. Two teams work with both suppliers and internal customers to maintain the highest standards of quality and service. There's the training department, helping to develop people's skills and knowledge, and the human resources team, who support the changing organisational needs of the business. It's very important that this philosophy which exists within the company between our departments is also shared with other companies which supply or work with Nortel. Whether it's the sales office or reception staff, any area within Optoelectronics may, on some occasion, work alongside Nortel's business partners, ensuring that the same quality of both service and manufacture is maintained within the supplier network. Understanding the way Nortel works helps them to work alongside. To avoid any shortfalls, volume and strategic management is very important. To supply the customer with what they want when it's needed is vital. On-time delivery is practiced throughout the company. Ultimately, it's where and how successfully Nortel products are used that provides the key to the future. Here at BT in Torquay, Nortel products play an integral role in many of their systems. BT knows that customer demand means more and more information has to be sent further and faster. Every second of every day, these complex systems have to convert thousands of analogue signals, transmitting them down fibre optic cables around the world. Nortel are at the heart of this technical operation.
Here in our repeater station in Torquay, our transmission optical equipment has to carry thousands and thousands of calls every second, and this needs to be done in a quality way, producing very low errors. We find that Nortel equipment provides us with this level of quality.
The umbilical cord to the future is the Research and Development Department, which not only anticipates future demands, but considers every aspect of customers' current needs. Companies work with Nortel because of the quality of their research and development. The life of each individual product in today's market is often so short that it's vital to anticipate and be ahead in every aspect of network technologies. Customers are now wanting Nortel to design and produce in new areas, partnering with them in building innovative networks and developing new software applications. Research and development is essentially customer-driven, always putting the consumer at the heart of design and manufacture. In order for Nortel to continue as a leading global resource, it must keep pace with change. All Nortel's customers have sophisticated requirements. The company has to be able to respond, whilst at the same time asking the question, what next? Whatever the future holds, there's no doubt that working alongside its customers and partners around the world, creating a host of new communication services and business opportunities, Nortel is shaping today's networks to realise tomorrow's opportunities and enriching human potential through communications.